What if everything you were taught about money was incomplete? What if the reason most people stay broke has nothing to do with how hard they work, but with how they think? Because the truth is, money is not just paper. It is not just numbers in a bank account. And it is definitely not only for people born into rich families. Money is a game. And like every game, there are rules. Some people spend their entire lives working hard, yet never escape survival mode. Others seem to create wealth from absolutely nothing. So what's the difference? The difference is not luck. It is not talent. And it is not even education. The difference is understanding the hidden rules of wealth. In this video, you will discover the untold truth about money, why most people never become financially free, and how someone with nothing can slowly build real wealth from the ground up. And once you understand this, you may never look at money the same way again. Part 1: The biggest lie about money. Most people grow up believing one sentence: work hard and money will come. Sounds logical. But look around. Millions of people work hard every single day. Construction workers, drivers, teachers, laborers, office workers. Many of them work harder than millionaires. Yet they struggle financially. Why? Because hard work alone does not create wealth. Hard work creates income, but wealth is built differently. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Freedom is what your money earns for you. That means, you can have a high salary and still be broke. And you can have a modest income and slowly become rich. The world teaches people to earn. But very few people learn how to build. That is the first hidden truth. Money does not reward effort. Money rewards value. Part 2: Money follows value. Money moves toward value. Always. If you solve a problem, money can come. If you create convenience, money can come. If you save people time, money can come. If you entertain people, money can come. If you help people feel something, money can come. That is why an actor can make millions, a musician can make millions, a software creator can make millions, and a business owner can make millions. They are not paid for time. They are paid for value. A person trading hours for money has a limit. There are only 24 hours in a day. But a person creating value can earn while sleeping. That is the difference. Poor people often ask, how can I make money? Wealthy people ask, how can I become more valuable? That one shift can change your life. Part 3: Why most people stay broke. Most people do not stay poor because they lack money. They stay poor because they never change their relationship with money. Many people earn money, then immediately spend it. A bigger phone, a better outfit, a new bike, a temporary lifestyle. Money comes in, and flows out, like water through open hands. And years later, they wonder why nothing changed. Because money that is not controlled will disappear. Rich people understand. Every dollar has a job. Poor people spend first and save what is left. Wealthy people invest first and spend what is left. That small habit becomes a massive difference over time. Because money can either make your life look rich or make your future rich. Rarely both. Part 4: The real secret of wealth. The real secret of wealth is simple. Ownership. Employees work for money. Owners make money from systems. Think about it. A worker gets paid once. An owner gets paid repeatedly. A waiter serves food. The restaurant owner profits from every table. A driver earns per ride. The company owner earns from thousands of rides. A content creator can earn from one video for years. That means, wealth is not built by labor alone. It is built by owning something. Ownership can be a business, a skill, content, digital products, investments, or intellectual property. That is why some people become rich with no wealthy background. Because they stop selling only time, and start building assets. Part 5: How to Build Wealth from Nothing. Now the important question: what if you have nothing right now? No rich family, no connections, no capital, no support. Can you still build wealth? Yes. But it starts differently. Not with money, with mindset. Step 1: Learn high income skills. Before wealth, you need cash flow. And cash flow comes from skills. Today, some skills can be learned for free online: video editing, copywriting, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, sales, content creation, AI tools, freelancing. These skills can be learned from a phone. That means in today's world, lack of money is no longer the biggest problem. Lack of direction is. A skill can become your first asset. Because once you can create value, you can create income. And once you can create income, you can build wealth. Step 2: Live below your means. This part is boring, but powerful. When income rises, most people raise lifestyle. That keeps them trapped. Instead, increase income without increasing expenses too quickly. That gap creates surplus. And surplus creates power. Even small amounts matter. Because wealth starts with the habit, not the amount. Someone who cannot manage small money will struggle with big money too. Money only amplifies habits. Step 3: Buy assets, not just things. The poor buy liabilities. The wealthy buy assets. A liability takes money from you. An asset puts money into your life. Examples of liabilities: expensive clothes, luxury gadgets, status purchases. Examples of assets: investments, businesses, skills, content, digital products. Ask yourself, will this make me richer later, or just look richer today? That question can save years. Step 4: Make money work for you. Most people work for money forever. Wealthy people eventually make money work for them. This can happen through investing, business, royalties, rent, content income, or compound growth. Even small money can grow. Because compound growth is powerful. Money can start making money. Then that money can make more money. And eventually, your effort becomes less necessary. That is financial freedom. Part 6: The Mindset of Wealth. Money is deeply emotional. Some people fear it, some chase it, some waste it, some worship it. But wealthy people usually see money as a tool. Not identity, not status, not happiness. Just a tool. A hammer can build a house. Or break a window. Money works the same way. The real issue is not money. It is the person holding it. That means, to build wealth, you must become the kind of person who can handle wealth. That means discipline, patience, emotional control, long-term thinking. Because getting money is one thing, keeping it is another. Part 7: Why Patience Matters. Many people quit too early. They want fast success, fast money, fast results. But wealth usually grows slowly before it grows quickly. At first, nothing seems to happen. Then one day, everything changes. That is because success often compounds invisibly. Like planting a tree. For months, you see nothing. Then suddenly, growth appears. But the roots were growing first. Wealth works the same way. The invisible years matter most. Part 8: The Hardest Truth About Money. Here is the hardest truth. Money reveals who you already are. If you are careless, more money makes you more careless. If you are fearful, more money can make you more fearful. If you are wise, money can multiply your wisdom. That means, wealth is not just about earning. It is about becoming. The person you become matters more than the money itself. Because the right person can lose everything, and build again. That is true wealth. Part 9: What People Never Tell You. Nobody tells you this. Building wealth can feel lonely. Because once your mindset changes, You may think differently from people around you. You may stop chasing approval. You may stop wasting money. You may stop living for appearances. And some people may not understand. That is normal. Because not everyone wants freedom. Some only want comfort. But wealth often requires temporary discomfort for long-term freedom. And that is a price many people never pay. Part 10 Final Message. So, what is the untold truth about money? Money is not about luck. Money is not about family. Money is not about working forever. Money is about value, discipline, ownership, and patience. You do not need to start rich. You need to start thinking differently. Because wealth rarely begins in a wallet. It begins in the mind. And once you understand that, you can build something from absolutely nothing. Slowly, quietly, powerfully. And one day, people will think you were lucky. But you will know the truth. You simply learned the rules that most people never see. Outro. If this video changed the way you think about money, remember this. The first investment you should ever make is in your mind. Because once your mind changes, your future can change too. And sometimes, that is where real wealth begins.